Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. For part 2 of our series on the Mercedes-Benz E-Class. In this episode, we'll take an in-depth look at the costs associated with owning the epitome of luxury. From maintenance to insurance and beyond, we'll break it all down to help you make an informed decision about this incredible vehicle. Insurance costs. Insuring a luxury vehicle like the Mercedes-Benz E-Class can be pricier compared to insuring a standard car. The cost is influenced by various factors, including the vehicle's value, repair costs, safety features, and the driver's profile. It's advisable to contact several insurance providers to compare quotes and find the most suitable coverage at a reasonable rate. Additionally, maintaining a clean driving record and exploring available discounts can help lower insurance costs over time. Maintenance costs. Luxury vehicles often require specialized maintenance and higher quality parts, which can impact the overall cost of ownership. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class is known for its engineering excellence and cutting-edge technology, which may require more frequent or expensive maintenance compared to non-luxury cars. Regular servicing, repairs, and the replacement of parts can add up over time. However, by adhering to the recommended maintenance schedule and properly caring for your vehicle, you can minimize unexpected expenses and foster its longevity. Financing charges. Opting for financing to purchase the Mercedes-Benz E-Class involves additional costs in the form of interest and fees. The amount you pay in financing charges will depend on factors such as loan terms, interest rates, and down payments. It's advisable to shop around for the best financing options and consider pre-approval from financial institutions to secure favorable terms and potentially reduce the overall financing charges. Fuel costs. Luxury vehicles are often equipped with powerful engines and advanced features, which can result in increased fuel consumption. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class offers a range of engine options, including both gasoline and hybrid models. It's important to factor in the average fuel consumption and prevailing fuel prices in your area when calculating the 5-year cost to own. Additionally, driving habits and the availability of fuel-efficient technologies, such as automatic start-stop systems, can contribute to savings in fuel costs over time. Owning a Mercedes-Benz E-Class undoubtedly comes with a sense of prestige and luxury. However, it's crucial to consider the full picture by evaluating the 5-year cost to own. Taking into account depreciation costs, insurance expenses, maintenance requirements, financing charges, and fuel costs will help you make informed financial decisions and ensure a smooth ownership experience. Benefits of owning a Mercedes-Benz E-Class. When it comes to luxury and performance, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class is in a league of its own. Owning this prestigious vehicle comes with a range of benefits that go beyond its elegant aesthetics and powerful engine. Let's explore the key advantages of driving a Mercedes-Benz E-Class, including its luxury and comfort features, advanced safety technologies, and unparalleled performance and driving experience. Luxury and comfort features. One of the standout features of the Mercedes-Benz E-Class is its commitment to providing an exceptional level of luxury and comfort. From the moment you step inside the cabin, you are enveloped in a world of sophistication and refinement. The plush leather seats, meticulously crafted interior, and attention to detail create an ambiance of opulence that is hard to match. Designed with the driver in mind, the E-Class offers a host of amenities that enhance comfort and convenience. With features such as multi-zone climate control, adjustable seats with memory functions, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system, every journey becomes an indulgent experience. Whether you're embarking on a long road trip or simply commuting to work, the E-Class ensures that you travel in utmost comfort and style. Advanced safety technologies. When it comes to safety, Mercedes-Benz has always been at the forefront of innovation. The E-Class is packed with advanced safety technologies that provide peace of mind and protect occupants from potential hazards on the road. From collision prevention assistance to adaptive cruise control, the E-Class incorporates cutting-edge features that are designed to keep you safe at all times. One notable safety feature of the E-Class is the pre-save system, which can detect potential collisions and take proactive measures to mitigate the impact. With sensors and cameras placed strategically around the vehicle, the E-Class can apply brakes, adjust seatbelts, and close windows in anticipation of a collision, potentially reducing the severity of the impact and protecting its occupants. Performance and driving experience. The Mercedes-Benz E-Class is not just about luxury and safety, it also offers an exhilarating driving experience. With a range of powerful engines and advanced suspension systems, the E-Class delivers a dynamic performance that is both thrilling and refined. Whether you opt for the smooth and efficient turbocharged inline-4 or the potent V6 or V8 engines, the E-Class offers a satisfying blend of power and efficiency. Equipped with innovative technologies such as air suspension and adaptive damping, the E-Class ensures a smooth ride even on bumpy roads. The precise steering and responsive handling make every twist and turn on the road a joy to navigate. Whether you're cruising on the highway or taking on winding country roads, the E-Class provides a driving experience that is nothing short of exceptional. Customer reviews and satisfaction with the Mercedes-Benz E-Class. When it comes to customer reviews and satisfaction, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class garners a lot of positive feedback from its owners. Let's delve into the various aspects that contribute to the overall satisfaction with this luxury car. Positive feedback on design and build quality. One aspect that consistently impresses Mercedes-Benz E-Class owners is the design and build quality. The E-Class exudes elegance and sophistication, with its sleek lines and attention to detail. From the moment you lay eyes on this car, its superior craftsmanship becomes evident. The use of premium materials, exquisite finishes, and meticulous attention to detail create an interior that is both luxurious and comfortable. This attention to design and build quality is highly appreciated by customers and contributes to their overall satisfaction. Appreciation for performance and handling. Another area where the Mercedes-Benz E-Class excels is in its performance and handling. With a range of powerful engines and advanced suspension systems, this car offers a thrilling driving experience. From the smooth acceleration to the responsive handling, the E-Class delivers a performance that is both exhilarating and refined. Whether cruising on the highway or tackling tight corners, owners appreciate the dynamic capabilities that this vehicle offers. The combination of power, agility, and precise handling makes every drive behind the wheel of the E-Class a memorable one. Critiques and concerns about cost of ownership. While the Mercedes-Benz E-Class is highly regarded by its owners, there are some critiques and concerns regarding the cost of ownership. With an average new price of $83,503 and a 5-year cost to own of $74,600, which includes depreciation, insurance, maintenance, financing charges, and fuel costs, some owners express reservations about the expenses associated with owning this luxury vehicle. It's important to note that the E-Class is a high-end car and maintaining its performance and luxury comes at a premium. However, many owners find that the overall ownership experience and the satisfaction derived from driving a Mercedes-Benz outweigh the cost considerations. In conclusion, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class proves to be a luxury vehicle that not only offers a remarkable driving experience but also comes with a hefty price tag. With an average new price of $83,503 and a 5-year cost to own of $74,600, it's evident that owning this car requires a significant financial commitment. The cost to own includes various factors such as depreciation, insurance, maintenance, financing charges, and fuel costs. These expenses should be taken into consideration before making a purchase decision. While the E-Class boasts impressive features and a prestigious brand image, potential buyers must weigh the costs against their budget and lifestyle. However, it's important to note that the Mercedes-Benz E-Class delivers exceptional performance, advanced safety features, and a luxurious interior. For those who prioritize comfort, style, and cutting-edge technology, this vehicle offers a driving experience that is hard to match. Ultimately, the decision to invest in a Mercedes-Benz E-Class depends on individual preferences and financial capabilities. Whether you choose to indulge in the luxury and sophistication of this vehicle or opt for a more cost-effective alternative, the E-Class remains an aspirational choice for those seeking a blend of opulence and performance. Thank you for joining us in part 2 of our series. We hope you now have a complete understanding of what it takes to own a Mercedes-Benz E-Class and the epitome of luxury it represents. If you found this content valuable, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver. Continue to stay informed and drive in style. Until next time, happy motoring. Thank you for watching.